I have a feeling that those value tree child added and child removed calls are going to be called more often than we think. So let's move those indenter classes and those helper functions into a utilities file so we can use those tools inside of TaskQueue item component. Switch over to Producer and do that. File Explorer, right click, create new CPP and header file. Utilities, plural. And save and reopen. All right, let's just grab our pragma once and our include for the juice header file. Paste that here. Now move to TaskQueue item.cpp and go to the top and grab the indenter and these functions here. We can just cut them out. Cut, paste, and let's move the implementations to the CPP file. Just grab all of this, paste it here, and add some fully qualified name, action like that. This goes like that. And we'll do the same with the make name and the this address functions. Copy this, paste there, and this int counter initializer needs to go here as well. And while we're here, let's grab this separator, separate the two things so all the class stuff stays together. All right, these guys become declarations. Bam and bam. All right, now we just need to include it. Go back to TaskQueue item.cpp and include it here. Include utilities.h. Awesome. We should be able to build this and it should compile just fine now. Oh, what happened? Unknown type name TaskQueue item. Okay, let's forward declare that. Struct and TaskQueue item. Now let's try it. Oh, yes, I didn't delete these implementations. Let's do that. Okay, cool. All right. So now we can use this in our the TaskQueue item component in here inside of this value tree child added and stuff. Let's grab some of those debug statements from the TaskQueue item CPP file and with the indenter and put them in our value tree child added, child removed callbacks. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. No, not that. Those are the static functions. Here we go. We'll just, oh, that's the static one. We'll grab this one right here and refresh sub items. Copy and just paste them right here. Paste and uncomment. And then we'll just change this name. And change that name. Okay, let's build it and see what we get. Unknown type name indenter. That's right, I forgot to include. Let's do that. Include utilities.h. One more time. Let's see what happens. No matching function for call to this address. What's going on here? Expander from macro debug. Let's see. Candidate function, no conversion file. Okay, all right. So we can. What can we do for this? We need to generalize this. Okay, so let's move this back. Get rid of this. We'll put this back here. We need to generalize this by templating it. All right, we will get rid of our forward declaration and we will replace it with a template parameter. Template type name. Let's call this pointer type. And now we can do that. And let's get rid of this thing here. And now if we build it, it should be cool. Should be good to go. Aha, okay, cool. All right, so let's run it and add some children and see what happens. Add task. Let's add some more tasks. We got some like pretty crazy indenting going on. Did I copy that by accident? Let's see, what happens if we drag and drop? Okay, task 0 voucher added. Task Q tree child added. Okay. All right, so child node name changes correctly to show the number completed versus the total, but the top node still doesn't. So we probably need to change the name of the node in those stubs.